everyone, it's Todd, and you're probably wondering what I'm doing out here with some coffee grounds. But I was telling my older neighbor I have a strawberry patch now, and now I am having problems with some of the cats deciding to get into it and use it as a litter box. And they actually gave me a suggestion to put coffee grounds around the strawberry patch, and they say that will keep the cats out of it. So we'll see if that works. That's what I'm going to do today. Coffee grounds. I don't think it's going to work. Coffee grounds. So we'll see. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, there you have it. I don't think the cats are, I don't know if they're going to be affected by it or not, but we'll see if they go in there. This is my second time putting it on, and I haven't seen any new places where they've gone in, so, but we'll see. I'll let you know how that works out. Thanks guys. Hey everyone, I thought I'd bring you along on a little task I got. I got a 6-ton bottle jack at a sale, I don't know, $5 or whatever it was, with some other stuff. But it was missing, it doesn't have any fluid because it's missing its grommet, or a plug that's usually there for the fluid. So I have to add some hydraulic jack fluid. And so I got online and I was looking for grommets for a bottle jack, and if you bought one or two, either eBay or Amazon, they were always around $10, or between $10 and $5 sometimes. But I thought they were kind of expensive for just one piece. Well, I went on Amazon, and you could of course, they're made in China, but you could get a whole set of grommets, different rubber-sized grommets. And this is a 125 piece. And, I may use them once in a while, but believe it or not, this is just around $10. And I thought, well, I can always have these available then in the future if I ever need anything. And there's a great selection. And, of course, they got a zillion of the 5/16 size I need. So I'm going to put the plug in and I'm going to change the fluid, but I thought I'd share this purchase with you, and I just thought it was a pretty good deal just to buy a bulk amount. And if you're starting a shop, when you make a purchase, take a moment and think, okay, is there something better out there for the price? If you're going to pay that kind of money, you might as well get a set. And even though you may not ever use them, a friend may need a set, or you never know who might need something like that. You can help them out, but then you always have them, and you don't have to run to the hardware. Like right now with the virus, it's a great time to have your own stuff in a shop, and if you have a lot of something, then you don't have to go run to the hardware store to purchase it. And I don't even know if hardware stores, I think they are open still. I think they're allowed to be open, but still, it's the idea you got to go uptown now to buy something. But I ordered it online, wiped everything down. Now I always have it, and any future jobs I have dealing with engines, anything, I now have this available to me. So something to think about. Okay, it's been topped off to where it kind of runs out. Now I gotta get this grommet to fit in there, and hopefully I don't poke a hole in it when I do it. There we go. And just like that. Now I'm hoping that's enough to keep it in. It should be. I mean, it may leak out a little bit like all jacks do, but basically that's it. And then try it out. And it's back in service, guys. Not bad for a couple $1 purchase, and like I say, I don't mind spending around $10 to get a package of 125 piece grommet set. I can always use this in the shop. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. Have any questions, throw them in the comment section. But that's basically it. And if you guys ever do get a bottle jack and it's not working properly going up, that's probably what it is. Most of them have plugs in here. Some are screws. The smaller ones usually have rubber grommet in there holding in the fluid. And you never want to, just so you know, down here where you release the pressure to see if it's working or not, you definitely, if you take that out all the way, you better have a bucket ready, because all that fluid is going to be coming out. And that's all that is just relieves the pressure. So anyway, guys, have a great day, and just a fast little video with the strawberries and the jack. Thanks, guys.